On traders, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the 4 stocks that I traded today, and yep, we'll be recapping the trades March 16th 2020. To begin with, we can take a look at Tesla. As we can see, Tesla had a gap down pre-market, started trending down, had a support level, broke down, created a lower low, and started trending to the downside. So now if we take a look, I took a position on Tesla at 466.88, as you can see on the bottom right here. So we took a position at 466.88, anticipating a scalp to the upside. Had an initial push up, started pulling back. It did not hold above 470, which is what I wanted to see. This is what I anticipated. Possibly getting a move over 475, a breakout of pre-market resistance. We did not get this. It did not hold over 470. I took my profits and I came out of the trade for 70 bucks. So that was Tesla trade. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. Now, if we take a look at Baba trending down, as you can see, this stock was trending down after it had a huge gap down to the downside. Had a support here, tried breaking down, got bought back up, and now we were looking for a long trade. Once we saw this consolidating at a resistance level of 181, had a support level at 180, as you can see. So if this was going to break 181 or even get close to it, we were going to buy. And if it came to the downside, we were not going to look for a long trade anymore. I was not planning to take this short because it had a support level out here, and this was a higher support level. So I was not going to bet against the stock. I was not going to change my mentality or the way I wanted to come into this trade. I kept focused on what I wanted. So we got a fill at 180.97. Got it 3 cents before after I saw a consolidation bar right here. I bought on the break of the consolidation bar. Got it 3 cents early before the 181. Could have been a false breakout, but I was reading the tape. I saw a buyer step in. I saw the SPY step in. And we got the move that we were looking for. So now I ended up selling my full position here after having a false breakout on Tesla. I was not trusting really much anything to the upside. So I sold this thinking that it was going to pull back. I did not want to give away profits, too many profits. The right thing would have been to just take a partial, maybe just take 3/4 of my position and just let the rest ride, which would have been the smart thing to do. I didn't do that. Making this video to learn from my mistakes and stuff. So we can probably see maybe some breakouts throughout the week. I'm gonna be anticipating, and if not, if it's gonna be another shorting days, we'll take it that way too. So ended up selling on my position, got out for a $171 profit. Not really the best, but it's okay. We're learning from it, and that's really all that matters. The profit does not matter. It's how you manage the trade. Our management wasn't the best. We're learning from our management, and we're just gonna keep moving on, keep pushing forward. That's really all we can do. So looking at BA, which was my third trade, we can see that it had a support level here, 146. Had a resistance level right here at 142.50 roughly. Had a breakdown, had a consolidation bar under support, shorted at 145 exactly, 145 exactly. So I noticed this had a huge push down, tried coming back up, immediately got shorted down. Like it immediately had pressure to the downside, and shorted right here. Covered my position. 2 points later, at 143. So you can see that it had a huge push down to the downside. It had a huge push down. I ended up taking a partial 3/4. I let it ride, started coming back on me, took some of my profits, and we just called it a trade. We just called it a trade. Got out for a $400 win, 2 points. Good trade. Good trade. Can't really complain about it. Um, yeah, I could have somehow held it, which I probably wouldn't have been able to, but could have got out of the trade for a $2,000 win, roughly. But it's okay, that wasn't my plan. My plan was to get a scalp to the downside. Got 2 points, phenomenal. Sold. Let some shares ride, came back against me. That's fine. That was my trade on BA Boeing, which was it's an airplane manufacturer. So now if we take a look at Apple, AAPL, ticker symbol Apple, we can see that it was downtrending also, had a big gap down also. Um, Consolidated right here, broke out after creating a higher low. We were anticipating a move to the upside. Took my first position at 151. Right here. After it had a huge parabolic move to the upside, created a higher support, bounced off of 248 whole number. So this was very biased. This was very good in my favor. 248 level was acting in my favor. So now we were anticipating a move to the upside. Started getting bought up, broke this resistance, broke its previous resistance, bought, wrote it. Sold for about $220. So I made about a point. Sold probably about here. Pretty good sell. Could have squeezed it a little more. It's fine. We're not gonna squeeze everything. So we just got out with a pretty good trade. So if we take a look at Apple, my second trade was at 256.22. So 256.22 is right here. I took this trade. I don't even know where. I think it was here though. Bounced off of its previous support. Had a support right here, as you can see. Came up, bought, anticipated a breakout. Got an immediate pullback and sold for about a $50 win. So now I'm finishing the day up more than $900. If you do the math, you can find out. But yep, those were my 5 trades on Apple, Boeing, Alibaba, and Tesla. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and leave down a comment if you want to get on a Skype call, talk about stocks and whatnot. If you're learning, we can probably even set something up and we can teach you something. But this concludes the video. If you guys found it helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below that you found it helpful and that you want to see more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.